Oh, I know I said I wouldn't do it. I did it again. Oh, Lord. Got one high-speed fan, all plexiglass, and the rest of it. There you go. Two 1446s. Driving four HG 2879s. That's right. Anyway, got 15 volts. Hold on, let me put the cover on it. Okay, I'm back. I don't have all the screws in it. High speed fan. It's not that bad. I could put blue LEDs in it. That little space in between the heat sink and the side of the cabinet, I blocked that off so all air is going out through the heat sink vents, period. Anyway. Great. Input, audio. Output, audio, hello, break, top scale, hello. Audio. Alright, well, oh yeah. Put me some little keying lights in there so it'd be cool at night. Yep. Anyway, for sale right now. 2x4. Still got to do this here. Still got to put the labels in the back of it, and that's it. It's good to go. I also have a one driving a straight six with a matching one pill driver. I haven't listed any of this stuff yet, but I'm fixing to. Anyway, everybody looking for a nice little 2x4, and that's all you need. Great for a little low drive radio for sure. All right. Alley Cat, Fat Cat Amps, Rural, Alabama. Ain't no sun out today. Oh Lord, we ain't gonna see the sun all week, I don't think. All right now, 73s. Cat in the hat, and I'm gone.